Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin's Shipment 8, due in early January 2021, so that is due in on the 8th of January, but with customs and so on, it'll take a few more weeks for that for us to unload and register and all that kind of thing, so probably due for February. But apart from that, you're going to be seeing about 50 motorcycles in these videos. Each one of them will go through the condition, mileage, price, that kind of thing, so you'll have a better idea of what to expect. We're then taking €250 deposits if you want to secure a particular bike. And do remember that the last brochure we sold up to 30 bikes before they even landed, so they do go high on demand, especially our 50s, 70s and 90s, that is, in Hondas. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think of these videos. They do take a long time to create, so any of those is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. So enjoy the next bike you're going to see. Enjoy the video. Okay, so moving on to our first standard Honda 50, I should say. It's not really that standard. Let me have a look here. So we're looking at only 20,000 kilometers. So let me just put this into the calculator here. 20045, which is actually only 12,000 miles. So it's pretty much brand new. Really nice condition bike. You can even see by the front headlamp area there that it's in exceptionally good condition. And this one is actually quite a rare one because it's in this blue color, but also comes with the white side panels, which are original from factory, which is a little extra that you added on to the bike. But normal one, so it's not the little cub, it's a normal 17-inch wheels on this bike. Really nice condition, and we've been seeing the Honda 50s go up in price over the last few years. So they were starting out at about 3.5 years ago. They were starting at around €1,500, and we're kind of seeing prices in this is in the private sector, selling privately, around €1,500 privately, and we're now seeing them kind of creeping up to around 2.5 if you have a really nice condition one privately as well. So they've gone up by €1,000 in 3 years, so we'll continue to see that trend go over the next few years. I'd say you're looking at 3,250 in the near 2 or 3 years. So great investment, really good little bike. They're easy to store, really just keep going. No real maintenance on them, just keep them serviced every year. But this one is in exceptional condition. No real nothing to make note of at all really here. Has original Honda badging on the left hand side here as well. So that's it for bike 11, the Honda C50, the first of the bunch for the brochure. Thank you for watching. Okay, that's for this video, this particular bike. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. As well as that, if you do want to look at all the bikes, the brochure will be linked in the description. Just fill out that form and the brochure will be sent to you automatically. So that's really that for that video. All the other videos are linked there in the brochure or will be uploaded here on YouTube. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching.